This week, Track Partnership have saved £500,000 just by removing this little beauty. Track Partnership are committed for delivery, week in, week out. We've delivered more work sites than we ever have. And here at West Kensington is another first. This is the longest CheckRail renewal site ever delivered. London Underground is one of the world's oldest metros. It ducks and dives and weaves around all of our infrastructure. And to help it do this is CheckRail. Well, what is CheckRail? Around our tightest curves, which are some of the tightest in the world, we need to help the train round those. CheckRail sits around and pushes on the back of the flange of the wheel to help it guide it around those tight curves. Renewing this CheckRail infrastructure has always been difficult because short lengths of rail have always been taken down and bolted on site into longer lengths. But this weekend, we are using the flashbuck welder to install it into longer 90-metre sections. That makes this job quicker.
Traditionally, we'd install CheckRail in 18-metre strings, drilling and plating each piece together as we go along. Each piece takes approximately about an hour. I've decided to use the flashbuck welder to flashbuck weld lengths of CheckRail together into 90-metre strings. Originally, this job was planned to be done over 2 weekends. I've worked closely with FutureRail, coming up with a way of flashbuck welding 18-metre lengths of UIC 33 together. That's the CheckRail we install. Now we can do it in 90-metre strings. This enabled us to do this job all in one weekend, saving a closure on the railway.
These joints are everywhere on London Underground, where we've got CheckRail. And these joints have been previously fabricated, built up, bolted up on site. This took forever. This weekend, we are using the flashbuck welder, which is a quick process to eliminate these joints. Long lengths of CheckRail can now be installed, so we can do longer lengths than ever before, which is why this weekend, this is the longest CheckRail job we have ever completed. And we've saved £500,000 in doing so. This week we are completing more works than we ever have. Follow-up tamping works to make the track smoother. Platform works at West Kensington. Ealing Common re-railing works. 255 metres of re-railing at Stamford Brook. New track being installed at West Kensington. This week we are delivering more than ever. So this is a story where Track Partnership have delivered through innovation that the team have really pushed to ensure that CheckRail will never be delivered in the same way again. And on this job, they've saved £500,000 just by applying new thinking to an old problem.